You are watching the Sunbeam Alpine channel on YouTube. You can watch this channel on the smartphones, on most modern televisions, on iPads or on your computer. If you enjoy the channel, why not subscribe? We'll notify you every time a new video is published. In this video we'll be driving a Series 4 Sunbeam Alpine Automatic. This has a 1592cc engine. The car is pretty much standard apart from the carburettor conversion to the Club Weber with the forced induction manifold. This car has been owned since June 2003 and in that time it has covered over 70,000 miles. Being used regularly as a daily driver, and it has won prizes for doing more miles than any other Alpine in the Owners Club in a set year. The Automatic Alpine has been called the worst car that Roots ever built. That's a bit unfair. It's not the fastest car, but it's an absolute pleasure to drive. Here you can see the Club Weber carburettor mounted on the curved manifold and fitted with the forced air intake system. Note the mechanism for the kickdown cable located beneath the carburettor. The car is so quiet and smooth that roof down, wind noise is often louder than engine noise. The Automatic is no racing car, but it will get a shift on if you ask it to. On this particular Automatic Alpine, both the speedo and the rev counter tend to read high. We're not doing 82 miles an hour, and we're not doing 5,000 revs either. 70 miles an hour and just over 4,000 revs is more likely. The Automatic Alpine will happily sit at a genuine 70 miles an hour all day. Driving on the road with other Alpines, the Automatic will hold her own easily. The only time it would lose out would be on a racetrack. There are over 100 separate videos on the Sunbeam Alpine channel covering driving, restoration and racing of Alpines. Why not subscribe and check some of them out? If you subscribe, we can notify you every time we publish a new video. Thank you for watching.